Hey Galentine, want to see what's in this box? Stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Chloe and Bandit are in the other room, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this tiny little box here is the Fabfitfun Galentine's Day edit. It has 6 items from their spring collection that they put together in a Galentine's Day type theme. So let's check out what's in here. So the first thing is by insert name here, and it is the brush that was part of their curation. And I do like these type of brushes. I do find that they're nice and detangling. This is, and these are also really nice if you are drying your hair out because it has that venting right back here. So nice brush. I wouldn't have put this in my box, but there were enough things in here that I was like, I do like it. So, okay, I will get this. These were $69.99. You could find them in the shop. They're currently in the shop right now. I don't know if this one is because sometimes they sell out, but they do have some different themed ones in their shop. Next, by London Town, is their Queen of Hearts. And this has a few different items in there. So we do have 2 nail polishes that are super pretty. And as you can see, I was waiting for that to come in. Then you also have a glass file and a nail detailer. And so this is really cool. If I can get into it, which maybe I can't. It's a possibility. Okay. All right, so here is the detailer. So it has like this little dot on the end. I don't think you're even able to see it. It's got a little tiny dot on the end. So what you can do is you can dip that in the nail polish and then just put like little polka dots on your nails. And then it does have a brush side as well. It's a very, very stiff brush. I don't know what you do with that. I'm sure you can do something. I'm sure one of your nail gals can tell me. But I do know what you do with this end. And then here is that glass file. And these are nice because they don't, oh, look at how cute that is. Because they don't go dull on you. And again, this was something I thought was nice. I did like it. I went back and forth, but I was like, I really wouldn't add it to my box, but getting it in this box, I'm happy with. Next, by Anastasia Beverly Hills, we have this blush trio, and this one I went back and forth with, do I get both of them? And I didn't. I just got this one. The other one I thought might have been for a darker skin tone. I'm very fair, so I think you could have carried it off better with a more olive tone or darker. And these are 3 kind of peachy, corally colors. Very nice. It is, I thought, and I didn't even read, I had thought they were cream blushes. I do love a cream blush. These are not. These are a powder blush, but I'll still use them. Let's take a look at the colors here. All right, so there we go. So nice and light, good for a fair skin tone. And I also, whenever I find peaches, I like to kind of grab those because with rosacea, sometimes my face is pink enough. Next, we have the Bobbi Brown Duo. So there were a lot of like multiple in one, or okay, 2 multiples in one. So this was a duo, and this is the Long Wear Shadow Stick. We're going to do that first. The other one is a lip gloss, and this is in the shade Golden Pink. All right, so there it is right there. Beautiful color. And then the lip gloss is in New Romantic. Doesn't have a sweet smell, but super pretty. Really like that. right, and there's 2 more items in here. So a little box, but some great items. First, by Crystal Haze, we have the earrings in the silver tone. So if you saw my other video, and I will link it up here, but for my box, for my first account, I got them in gold. So here they are in silver, and goes to, you know, right here. But they're a great size, not too small, and really just pretty, just very nice. And then by Love AJ, look at that pretty little pink. My nails are terrible, don't pay any attention to them at all. This is a tennis style necklace. So it's got all stones, it's a silver tone. So I liked that they paired these together because I definitely wanted the necklace and the earrings, and so I kind of splurged and got the earrings in both tones because they're a nice length. All right, so here is where it forms, so just a little bit lower than this. Oh, I like those together. Yeah, I like that little silver and gold mix. Okay, so that is my Galentine's Day box. Tell me your thoughts. What was your favorite item from this box? What is mine? It might be this necklace. I really like the necklace, but I'd like to like make it a necklace earring duo. Like those would be my favorite together. Although I really like everything in this box, so I was happy to see it. I did price it out, and it was more expensive for me to add it was cheaper to just add the few things that I really wanted, but it was, I think, $45 if I just added things that I really wanted, but for $70 to get all of the things that I did have my eye on and I did like, but I wasn't necessarily sure I wanted to add them into my box. I thought that was a better deal, so that is what I did. I don't know, I feel like at this point I need a third account to save me some money. All right, well, tell me your thoughts and leave that comment down below for me if you would. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.